How to make Wix site fit all screens. So onto your Wix website editor, you can see in here this. So as you can see right here, we're currently into our desktop, which is our primary screen. We have in here some other options like the tablet as well as the mobile. So this is what it looks like in their actual desktop. If you want to edit it and fit all screens, just head over to the next actual size right here and then just edit it according to your liking. So for example, as you can see right here, this image is actually too small, so you can head over and then resize it in order to make it bigger. Now in here, you can also click onto the other text and move them accordingly in order to actually have a more comprehensive layout of your actual Wix right there. You can edit it without affecting the actual desktop because they're actually responsive that way. Now let's see what it looks like into the phone. So as you can see, this looks so small on the phone. So what we can do in this case is we can also resize it. So click on it and then click onto this and then just make it better through this case. And then move the other elements we have right here. So just continue just trying to remove it as well as trying to make it more comprehensible through this particular case according to your liking. So you can make things bigger or smaller depending on to the breakpoint that you have in order to fit all screens that we have in here as well. So that's how you make Wix site fit all screens. Hope we help.